Hi guys, Chris Reed here from Outer SEO. I've put together this short little video to show you a few issues with your website and ways you can get in front of more people and spread your awesome message. Absolutely love it. In fact, just a couple of weeks ago, I was in the Philippines and we're on a little island and found this little piggy. And this is my friend in the background, and she is not a vegan, but she's been trying a lot more vegan food now since she met this cute little piggy and went, yeah, I don't really want to eat that guy anymore. So I think we need to try and get cute little piggies in front of more and more people. But so let's have a little look at your site. So if we go over to this tool that I have, it shows about your site ranking. And so this is you over the last year, and you've done really well. You've gone from next to no traffic, and this is just in the US, to around 700-800 visitors a month, which is a really great increase. And so if we look, here are the keywords that you rank for, and these are the positions. So there's plenty of great ones, but you fall off the top 10, the front page of Google, pretty rapidly. And so all of these other keywords, which are really great keywords, you're not getting any traffic for because you're on page 2. If we order them by search volume, you can see there's huge keywords like veganism, 22,000 searches a month, and you're number 67. How to go vegan, 6,000 searches, number 75. B12 vegan, 3,600, and you're number 51. And I can tell you, like, moving from not existent to number 50, that's a lot harder than moving from number 50 to the front page. So to move forward those extra 50 odd places you need to get these 22,000 searches is really not a lot of work. So let me show you how you do that. So if we go to Google and type site : and then your domain name, it shows all of the pages that you have indexed in Google from the most authoritative to the least authoritative. And it shows their title tags and their descriptions. So straight away, you don't have your homepage as the number 1, and that's because is the way your site's structured, that Challenge22 is the main URL. So that's okay. But what you really want to do is make these this keyword focused, like let's try vegan, Challenge22 plus. I mean, that's fine to have your brand name at the end, but it's much more important to get as many keywords in there as you can. And no one's searching let's try vegan. They're searching veganism. They're searching how to go vegan. So even if you put on there how to go vegan, that would be a lot better than let's try vegan. Same with this, right? Join thousands of participants for a 22-day vegan experience. No one's searching that keyword. It's great to explain what you do, but it's much more important at that left-hand side to have keywords that people are searching for. So these sort of really high, vegan for the challenge, vegan calcium, whatever you want that page, I'd put veganism at the front of this page. Veganism, what's it mean? And then as we go down further, it's really important to have like a really clear site structure. Sorry, I got a bit of flu at the moment, so my face is a bit congested. Yeah, really clear site structure, but the technicalities of that get a little bit complicated. But Amazon is a fantastic site to look at. They've got really clear site structure where they've got amazon.com.au/fashion, books, music, and under music they'll have the different genres and then subgenres, and that's what you need to have too. All of these pages need to clearly say what it is you do and what that page is about. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me right there. My name's Chris Reed. I'm the CEO and founder of Outer SEO, and I usually have some sort of crazy haircut. And we specialize generally in working with businesses to help them get in front of their customers. But I'm a yogi and a vegan, and I love your message, and I'd like to speak to you more about helping you get in front of people. If we can work together, that'd be great. And if we can't, and I can just give you some information to help you keep spreading the word, that'd be great too. So I hope you click the button below this video. It's going to pop up my calendar. Just find a date and time that suits you, book in a call. Let's have a chat, and let's make the world a better place. Cheers. Thank you. Bye-bye.